You spend thousands creating the perfect home theater, comfort के लिए, अपनी family के लिए and for your enjoyment. But what if the walls around you, the perforated plywood behind the beauty are silently poisoning the air you breathe? What if the safe space, your escape, is actually increasing your risk of cancer every single day? This isn't a scare tactic, it's a science, and it's happening in homes just like yours. Plywood is everywhere in our homes, from sofas and tables to wall panelings and cabinets. छोटी से छोटी चीज is mostly made from plywood and or MDF. Once the furniture is built, we usually seal it with laminate, paint or a varnish and the edges are covered with isolating materials. Normally, जब हम regular furnitures बनाते हैं, plywood largely remains intact with minimal cuts and there is a proper ventilation, open windows, airflow and natural daylights. So even if formaldehyde is released, a chemical often found in plywood adhesives and plywood manufacturing, it gets diluted, making the health impact minimal. But things get changed when it comes to the home theater rooms. Here, for acoustic wall paneling, we again use plywood, but this time we drill multiple deep holes, sometimes up to 12 inches to absorb sound and prevent echo. The issue is, in most acoustic setups, we avoid any coatings like paint or a varnish or a laminate on a plywood क्योंकि वो sound absorption पे effect करता है and we are using a foam panel above the plywood. So the plywood remains raw and untreated, exposing its inner layers directly to the air. This untreated plywood slowly releases the formaldehyde gas, and since home theaters are sealed spaces with almost no ventilation, the gas doesn't escape. Instead, it keeps circulating inside the room, affecting air qualities and potentially posing a health risk. That's why when we design spaces like this, acoustics के साथ साथ indoor air quality पे भी ध्यान देना जरूरी है. We are not just building soundproof environments, we are shaping spaces that should be safe, healthy and comfortable to spend time in. Formaldehyde is a colorless gas released from a certain resins and adhesives used in manufacturing plywood and MDF materials. Studies and even our client feedback shows that formaldehyde fumes can linger in the air for 6 to 7 years after the room is made. And according to the World Health Organization, long-term exposure to the formaldehyde is linked to cancer, and this is not just a theory. Many plywood manufacturers themselves have issued an advisory about the risk of formaldehyde emissions, especially when plywood is left cut and untreated. So what can you do? If you use plywood or MDF, make sure to seal all exposed areas properly with coating, polish or a lamination. Even after drilling holes, or better, use specialized acoustic materials like WPC boards, plastic panels or certified low emission plywoods that are designed to be formaldehyde free or a low VOC. Make sure आपके रूम में proper ventilation हो, especially in closed off spaces like home theaters. But most importantly, work with professionals who care. Like us at D Square, your family's health is never compromised. We are not trying to scare anyone. This is not a fear. This is awareness. That's why at D Square Electronics, we take this very seriously. We do in-depth research, work with trusted suppliers and ensures your home theater is not just a beautiful and immersive, but also a safe, breathable and a long-lasting. The decisions you make now shape the air you breathe tomorrow. Your home should be safe haven, not a silent threat. And follow D Square Electronics for more truth-driven videos on how to make your space healthier and smarter. Because at D Square Electronics, we believe knowledge isn't just power, it's a protection.